Welcome to TwistedBrush Pro Studio. In this tutorial you will learn how to use the special layers. Special layers are layers that act differently than normal layers, but are implemented as layers to allow for all the power of TwistedBrush to edit the contents. These layers are the paper layer, scratch layer, and mask edit layer. There is only one of each type of special layer available for any page. When you select a special layer, the normal image contents of your page are hidden while you edit the special layer. The easiest way to select a special layer is to use the icons in the layer menu bar. Just click the icon to select the special layer. The special layers can be also found at the top of the Layers panel and can be selected from there as well. Alternative ways to select any of the three special layers are from the panel toggles menu item or from the Layers menu. After finishing your work with a special layer, you can get back to your normal image editing layer by clicking on it or by clicking on the same special layer.